This is what we're talking about. Is stain, is ugly, not really stinky in this case, uncomfortable cloth seats. Welcome, 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 welcome. And we have the card of the day. Guys, we have today the 2021. This is a Charger. This is the RT model. And guys, we are doing this in our bright red color, which is salsa. This one right here that you can see. And it's also salsa stitching in this particular kit. And it was custom embroidery in the headrest. This was a special order for the embroidery. Everything else, guys, you can get. And also these guys will go into the 2015 to 2023, the Police, the GT, the Scat Pack, the Hellcat, the RT, and the SXT. So we covered all these models, and we have different options for you guys. So this is what we're gonna be working today. Beautiful, beautiful leather on red, salsa red. And I know it looks like crap right now, but well, wait until I finish this installation so you can see how beautiful this transformation is going to be, guys. So let's take a look at the toy, which is this beautiful salsa red vehicle, the dash right here. And let's take a look here, guys. Cloth, and that's this is what we're talking about. Is stain, is ugly, not really stinky in this case, uncomfortable cloth seats. In its leather, that's why it's here. Just so you know, guys, I mean, this is what we're talking about. It gets so easily stained. Beautiful car, horrible interior in cloth. Same here, you can see, see, horrible stain. And they try to clean it up, it's just not working. It needs leather, guys. So don't wait, do something about this. You really need leather in these vehicles with horrible cloth. And guys, you want to do a transformation in your vehicle, you want leather for sure. Go to LeatherTeck.com by EM Upholstery Technology.com so you can order the factory match, the custom design. We have over 60 different colors and endless combinations. Contrast stitch, piping, special editions, patterns like diamonds, double diamonds, hex. We have double hex, honeycomb, and many, many others. We also carry exotic materials like ostrich, alligator, swiss skin, you name it. We have them all at LeatherTeck.com by EM Upholstery Technology.com. Guys, like and subscribe so you can see more transformations, techniques, and how we do the installations for you beautiful leather seats at LeatherTeck.com by EM Upholstery Technology. Because guys, we are demystifying the installation process. It's not that difficult. So please follow us and look forward for the video in the completion of this installation, because you are up for a surprise. And guys, it is completed finally. This little car took us a little bit of work. We have to tackle a few issues here. But look, guys, how beautiful that interior that you saw early looks now. Beautiful installation. Beautiful double stitch. Salsa red. And for this one, we did door panels. You can see there, over there, beautiful door panels. It has custom embroidery. Beautiful custom embroidery. And guys, I enjoy so much working in this car. Maybe it's because the paint blends with the interior and the tonality of the black, so it's a fantastic enhancement for this interior. Nothing compared to what we receive in the morning. This is a very beautiful interior, guys. What do you think? Do we get short? Do we nail it? Please put it in the comments, I want to know. And guys, visit LeatherTeck.com by EM Upholstery Technology, because over there you can order your kit. We have it virtually for any car, over 60 different colors, combinations, diamonds, double diamonds, hex, double hex, different patterns, guys. Exotics, you want exotics? Ostrich, straight skin. Make an inquiry. Let us know what you want to do in your vehicle, guys, and get rid of the ugly, stinky, uncomfortable, horrible cloth seats, guys. Switch to leather. You deserve, you want it. You deserve to have an interior like this in your car without breaking the bank. Like and subscribe, guys, so you can see more transformations on cars that it comes with a horrible cloth interior and come out beautified by LeatherTeck.com and EMUpholsteryTechnology.com. Guys, I'm so happy that we completed this vehicle. Please, I want to know, what do you think about it? I know it's like a red devil. This is what it resembles. And of course, I believe it's one of those editions which now with our leather kit, it really look fantastic. See you guys in the next project. Like and subscribe. Thank you.